Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make turkey wings. Very easy recipe. On my screen you're going to see some seasonings that will also be listed in the description box below. Here you just see me seasoning the turkey wings, and then I'm going to heat up my frying pan and add some oil so that I can brown my turkey wings on both sides. You don't have to brown the turkey wings on both sides. You can actually just put them straight in the oven, but this is the way that I like to do it. I brown them for about 3 minutes each on both sides, and that's what you see me doing here in the video. You're also going to see me throw in some onions and a Scotch bonnet pepper. You don't have to do this, but this is how I like to do mine to give it some extra flavor. Afterwards, you see me adding some water, onions, and garlic to the pan that I'll use to bake. And then I'm going to add my turkey wings in there. I'm going to make sure I put some of those onions on the top of my turkey wings. And after that, I'm just going to put the foil on it and I'll prop it in the oven. Once you prop it in the oven, put your oven on 350, and you are going to cook these for 3 hours. Cooking them for 3 hours on 350 with water in the bottom of the pan and completely covered will completely cook the turkey wings. They'll actually make them very tender. Now, in the middle of this process, I did add some carrots in mine. You don't have to, but that's just what I did. And this is the results. The turkey wings were very tender. I'm also going to show you how tender they were in the clip right after this.